Okay, baby, we got a new Afnan fragrance called Cherry Bouquet. And you know your girl had to cop it because we love us some Afnan in this house. Step into the realm of timeless allure with this enchanting fragrance where beauty and grace intertwines. Candy-like gleam of black cherry and cherry liqueur to the romantic florals, blending with blah blah blah. Okay, I couldn't read all that. But it has notes of cherry liqueur, sour cherry, almond in the top. The mid is plum, damask rose, jasmine sandbag, and raspberry. And the base is cloves, patchouli, vetiver, vanilla, and cedar. Now, this is a very candied sour cherry. Okay, this is not quite a first impression, even though you just saw the unboxing. This is been quite a few days that I've been testing and trying this. I received it last week, and I definitely see what they were going for. Probably like a lost cherry type thing, you know, maybe not like, you know, cherry incense. That's kind of what I was hoping for, given the patchouli and the cloves and the cedar and everything. And I do get a little bit of that plum, maybe a tiny bit of the vanilla in the dry down. Like after a while, I mean like hour or so, the creamy kind of like woodiness starts to kind of try to fight with that cherry liqueur. But that is what you're gonna get. This is like grenadine. That's kind of that same vibe that I get from it. Plummy kind of, but you're mostly gonna get cherry liqueur. Definitely. I'm hoping this fragrance will macerate. We will see. But listen, another off-non fragrance, Mystique Bouquet, has been one of my favorites. Hands down. Wasn't even a scent profile that I was sure I was gonna like, and I have not put that fragrance down. Like, I have to tell myself not to use it. So when Afnan releases something in this Bouquet line, other than the ones that they've already released that are the Baccarat dupe and the Fleur Narcotique dupe, I will probably be picking them up. Most definitely. So, anyway, bye for now. Toodaloo.